In this GeographyBurst video, we will be assessing the possible causes of climate change. Use pages 40 to 42 of your textbook to support this video. We will look at natural causes, then human causes, and then apply it to an exam question. The Milankovitch cycles. We talk about these cycles and how they cause natural climate change. Eccentricity. When the Earth orbits the Sun in an elliptical cycle, which means it will naturally have a cooler period when further away from the Sun and a warmer period when closer to the Sun. The Earth may orbit the Sun in a circular motion, meaning a more stable temperature. Precession is the second cycle, when the Earth wobbles as it changes between the elliptical cycle and the more circular cycle, often caused by the axial tilt having more or less effect on that orbit. Therefore, the axial tilt, also known as the Coriolis tilt, when the Earth tilts on its axis towards and then away from the Sun, will have an impact on these cycles. The axial tilt, known as the Coriolis tilt, also is responsible for our yearly seasons. Between these three cycles interacting, roughly 100,000 years has passed, and this coincides with the Quaternary period, also known as the last major ice age. Therefore, between the three cycles, it could indicate a natural cause of climate change, in this case a colder climate, and therefore warming up since then. Supervolcanoes are also a natural cause of climate change. Many people get confused and think it will cause a warmer climate. However, as a supervolcano can erupt with 1,000 times more ash and lava than a normal volcano, it can cause a volcanic winter. This means the sun will be blocked out and the Earth will actually become a lot cooler and only the fittest can survive. Again, this could have caused the natural ice age 100,000 years ago. Sunspots are also a natural cause. Naturally, the Sun has episodes of more energy and episodes of less energy. Put simply, there will therefore be periods of glaciation due to weaker sun rays and periods of stronger rays leading to an increased global temperature, which is currently what we are experiencing, if we believe sunspots are the cause. Human causes then. These are the sort of things that we know we are causing. So by driving large cars with a high fuel consumption and building factories, we cause more CO2 in the atmosphere, leading to the increased greenhouse effect. This could cause global climate change heating up since the last Quaternary glaciation period. So, humans have caused global climate change. Do you agree with this statement? Justify your answer. 9 marks. As always, we start with the describe. So we describe what climate change is. So global climate change means the whole Earth's temperature has gone up or down significantly, in which you will get 1 mark. Then you explain how that has happened naturally. Therefore, I will link to the Milankovitch cycles and how the orbits change to lead to more or less temperature. Then I will explain the opposite and explain how humans may have caused that global climate change. And finally, I will then evaluate and again just reiterate my justification for that. So, humans have caused global climate change. Do you agree with this statement? Justify your answer. I would finish off with, therefore I disagree with this statement and believe there are many natural causes to global climate change due to the natural reasons I explained. I do, however, believe that humans have caused a significant increase in global temperatures due to industrialisation, the agricultural revolution, and the use of personal cars and finite fuel sources in the last century. But these are not the only causes of climate change. Therefore, fully assessed, fully justified, and fully explained throughout. Geography. Know your world.